Welcome to MMM, presentation by Betty Langat, Batch 10, Kenya. Ideology of MMM. MMM is a community that cuts across the world of people who are ready and willing to work together with an aim and objective of fighting and eradicating the unjust financial system of the world, especially from the bank sectors. MMM works towards ensuring that people are rewarded according to their efforts and hard work presented by an individual. Sir J. Maravroti therefore believed in the aspect of working together as a community in ensuring financial success, hence reducing the eventually eradicating poverty. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business or HYIP. MMM is not an investment. MMM is not a network, marketing business, or MLM program. MMM has no central bank account. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is a global mutual aid society. MMM is people helping people. Take example, banks normally pay people with money collected from other people. MMM is the same banking concept, but as a mutual aid fund. People exchange their money voluntarily to improve their living standard. This is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, a kind of a global fund or mutual aid. It is a voluntary coming together of millions of people across the globe, providing help and getting help from each other. Registration bonuses. After registration and making the first payment, the participant shall receive the bonuses in the order below. If you donate 50 to 499 US dollars, you get $20 bonus. If you donate 500 to 3,000 US dollars, you get 50% dollars. You get $50. If you donate more than 3,000 US dollars, you'll receive $100. Referral bonuses. Any referrals made to the community earns the referrer a referral bonus of 10%. For instance, if John refers Tibet to MMM, John shall receive 10% of the total amount Tibet shall provide help. If she provides help of 5,000 shillings, John shall get 10% of 5,000 shillings, which is 500 shillings, which shall also grow at a rate of 30% per month. Getting help. For one to get help, he or she must have provided help. As the member who has donated money to a fellow member who requested for the donation, he also entitled to receive a donation that sums up to equivalent of the amount donated. There is unlimited possibilities in MMM. It is people helping people. Join me, Betty Langat, and millions of other participants throughout the worldwide as we strive towards bringing to order the financial injustices of the world. The power of giving. Mavrodi Mundul Moneybox. Thank you.